We are sure, the moment you think of Thailand, your imagination shifts to exploring the crystal clear beaches, performing thrilling water sports, finding the vibrant nightlife on popular streets, and enjoying tasty delicacies. TBO Academy presents amazing 5 days in Thailand for you to create unforgettable memories. So without further ado, let's get started. Your first day in Thailand starts with a cheerful arrival at the Bangkok airport. And the moment you take the exit, you will get to see the traditional green and yellow taxi drivers welcoming you to hire their ride. No need to worry, you will find a cab or an airport bus at an affordable price. Once you get settled down in your hotel, it's time for you to start exploring Bangkok by first reaching the famous Grand Palace. Grand Palace is one of the architectural masterpieces of Bangkok, which has a rich history and is home to the Temple of Emerald Buddha. A must-visit tourist attraction in Bangkok will be your ideal place to capture attractive architecture and capture amazing photographs. Once that is done, it's time for you to explore the other religious and historical sites of the city, including Temple of Dawn, Wat Phra Chetuphan, Old Big Gun Museum, and a lot more. We do understand that while exploring all these places, you might feel really hungry, but that's not an issue because Thailand has amazing street food in Chinatown, which is just a short tuk-tuk ride away. Savor the Chinese flavors on the must-visit street in Bangkok and taste the delicacies like the authentic dim sums, fully marinated grilled satay, the unique oyster omelette. In case you're a vegetarian, then there are also several options like pad thai, rice porridge, fried tofu, vegetable spring rolls, and more. After having a full roller coaster day 1 in Bangkok, it's time for you to give day 2 a bit relaxation by exploring museums, marketplaces, and a gorgeous riverfront. To be precise, begin your day by visiting the Thompan House Museum. Come here to capture the Thai-inspired architecture, artwork, silk production, and other attractive things. After that, you can head towards the famous Hindu shrine called Eravan Shrine, which is famous for its gold statues. Once done, then walk just 700 meters from the shrine and reach one of the largest shopping malls in Bangkok, called the Central World Shopping Mall. Arouse your inner shopping freak and start buying luxurious items from fashion and apparel to electronics or even souvenirs of your choice. In case you are one of a kind who likes to shop at cost-effective price, then you have the option of visiting the Chatuchak Weekend Market. This colorful street market is sure to catch your attention at a glance, and you can find here local handicrafts, antiques, plants, food, and much more. Wait, there's more for you to explore on the second day in Bangkok. Spend a memorable evening by the Asiatic The Riverfront, which is an open-air mall by the river. Just sit there to entertain yourself with the incredible views of the giant Ferris wheels. Enjoy dinner at the Riverside restaurant and capture the views of the location. Day 3 demands you to wake up early and leave Bangkok to explore another fascinating region of Thailand, that is Pattaya. It's just 149 kilometers away from Bangkok and requires at least full day of yours. Here in Pattaya, fun, adventure, and beach vibes await you, letting you enjoy every second. The first set of attraction in Pattaya is reaching the Pattaya viewpoint to capture the panoramic views of this beach area. View the breathtaking Pattaya Bay, city skyline, and capture magnificent pictures. Next is to hit the famous Pattaya beach to experience sun, sand, sea, and thrilling water sports. Certainly, your Thailand travel is incomplete without having limitless fun at the beach. Pattaya Beach gives you all the reasons to walk on the soft sand, perform adventurous water sports, or even take a refreshing dip in the sea. After spending considerable time on the Pattaya beach, you can have some resting time before you hit the iconic walking street in the heart of Pattaya. Get ready to experience the stroll on the colorful street full of energy, party vibes, tons of restaurants, pubs, and whatnot. Of course, people will tell you to explore Chiang Mai in Thailand because this peaceful and nature-blessed side of Thailand is yet to be explored. And do not forget, that Chiang Mai is more cost effective than any other regions of this country. So, on your 4th day, head to Chiang Mai. Visit Doi Suthep Temple, which is famous for being one of the most sacred temples in Thailand. The speciality of this temple is catching magnificent views of the greenery of Chiang Mai. And the best part is walking pathway to reach at the top of the sacred place. Wat Cheti Luang is another temple to explore, owing to its historical appeal and years of old architecture. It's an ancient temple that offers years of rich history. In case the time allows, then you can pay a visit to the Chiang Mai Arts and Cultural Center to know more about this place's history, culture and traditional crafts. End the day of your Chiang Mai exploration by visiting the famous Chiang Mai Night Market. Here is the place you'll find colorful souvenirs, local crafts, clothing and several other products at cost-effective prices. And conclude the day by having a sumptuous dinner by the riverside and enjoy Thai meal with a magnificent night view of the city. Your day 5 will definitely be something different that most travelers don't experience at all. If you have not heard of a place called Koh Samui in Thailand, then we are here to tell you about spending the whole day there. By taking an approximate of 1 hour 45-minute direct flight from Chiang Mai, you will reach the peaceful, serene and beautiful beach destination called Koh Samui in Thailand. It's an offbeat place to explore in Thailand to experience island exploration, beach relaxation, nature walk and watching amazing sunsets. For instance, you can start your day in Koh Samui by visiting the famous Bangrak beach, followed by a tour of Fisherman's Village. After that, pay a visit to Big Buddha, which is Koh Samui's iconic landmark at the top of a beach. Meanwhile, you can also explore other beaches like Chaveng Beach or Lamai Beach. And your relaxing day in Koh Samui at any of these beachside restaurants to try favorable seafood and other authentic Thai dishes. Well, that's all for your 5 unforgettable days in Thailand. We are sure this itinerary will make your trip to Thailand all the more strategic, well-planned and cost-effective. Get to know more about such destinations and plan your getaway with professional advices from our videos. Simply like, subscribe and click on the notification bell of our channel to receive regular updates. So, stay tuned for more itineraries.